Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with Sheila's Stamps.net, and today we are using Little Treats Bundle, and this is a sweet little Christmas treat box we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are making another Little Treats container, and we're going to be using a little treat for someone sweet. Excuse me. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Embossing Cut. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do my stamping first, and then I will, we will cut everything at one time. Well, we'll try. I think we'll have to cut the box by itself. So I have a Pretty Peacock, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear block B, and I have a piece of Very Vanilla. I'm just going to put this down in the center, just like that. So I thought this would be cute for like Christmas. Usually everybody comes to my house for Christmas, so I like to have a cute little something. All right, so I have our die down, and the paper is the Brightly Gleaming specialty paper, and that, if you remember, is from last year, and it carried over, and I was super excited about that because I love this paper. It's so pretty. All right, so we'll run that through. And this number 5 is the magnetic cutting plate, and I love it. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to get our circular die now, and it'll just make a cute little circle here. And I have a piece of the foil copper sheet. Run that through, and it would take you no time to make these, make several or just a few. So just like that, and that's so pretty. Okay, let's get this out of the way, and I'm going to come in with my bone folder. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. All right, so I got everything there. For this one, I am going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus. And just to make it a little bit more secure. So just like that. I like to rub it on the inside. All right, so there is that. And then I have these little mini Tic Tacs. You can use some fresh breath after Christmas meal. Then I have the metallic edged gold ribbon. All right. These would make cute gift, teacher gifts too. Just thinking about that. Or office assistants or your boss. don't know what is going on with my throat, but it seems like as soon as I get ready to film, my throat gets all crazy. All right, so now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put this down right here in the center. And let's see, do I want to pop it up or not? Yeah, definitely going to pop it up. Let me see if I can find my Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay. And for the record, these bigger ones would fit in here, but it wouldn't tie. So that's why I got the little miniature ones. But whatever you can find at your local store that will fit in there will be good. Thought about little mini candy bars too. But I thought mints would be perfect for after dinner. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas treat box. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!